Hello, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Today I'm going to discuss with you how telcos can be disruptive again. There is a new paradigm of voice using the new technologies telcos can create and bring a disruption back. Before that, let me introduce myself. I am Pankaj Verma. I am practice leader for complex SIN architecture for IBM India. I can be reached at Twitter at @PankajSinghV. My email ID is pankajsinghv@yahoo.com. I can be reached on LinkedIn as well. Let's discuss how the telcos can bounce back and what is it that is enabling them to bounce back. There are two major trends that are going to help the telco in doing this. One is that now customers are not getting sold to the companies who are just selling their products. The sales pitch is going away. The customers are getting attracted to the experiences which are lifestyle based. So Amazon Alexa is coming, and where you can say that I want to have a dinner with my wife for the anniversary, the Alexa will book a nearby restaurant based on your taste. And when you are done with the uh, dinner, the payment from your wallet will get automatically done. So these are the lifestyle based scenarios where the products and services of the various organizations need to get embedded behind the scene. And this is going to become a trend. Earlier, the banking or the payments could be done by the banks only. Now it is going to become a more decentralized world where intermediaries will get done away with using technologies like blockchain. What's going to happen is that with coming of artificial intelligence, which is voice enabled, new paradigm of engagement is going to come up. The screens or the touch screen based or the click based, keyboard based user interactions with this IT systems are going to become secondary. And that is where the new habits will get start forming up. And that is where the telcos has an opportunity. Up till now, we have the habit that whatever we want, we go to Google, type our search string, and Google comes back with the results. In the new scenario, imagine the Wi-Fi router provisioned by the telecom operator at your home is AI enabled. It just hears your voice, your command to search something, and it does the search results. That's what Amazon Alexa is doing. That's what IBM Watson are capable of doing it. So conversational systems are going to become important and the screens will become secondary. And that's an era where new habits need to be formed up. And that's where the customers, that's where the telecom operators have chance to bounce back. They can start becoming the owner of customer experience. They can become first place of search start rather than Google's of this world. There will be a lot of architectural implications for this. We are going to discuss that. But why do we think that this is an opportunity for telecom operators? 5G is on the horizon. Telcos are investing huge money in this. They should not invest money just to again empower the telecom OTT players, Skype, Google, and everything else. They should think about themselves also. OTT built a huge ad business because they owned the customer. They were front ending the customer. They were creating the experience. Now with new habit formation and with voice enabled AI and blockchain, telecom operators have this opportunity and they can start owning the customer and they can build a ad business. Of course, there's a need of the survival. So what telcos need to do? First, they need to bring a shift in their business model. As of now, their business model is product centric. Now it should become end user experience centric. So they should start taking ownership of the end user. They should start entering into day-to-day life of the customers. And this requires a change in organization culture, adopting in startup culture where mistakes are allowed. Of course, usage of the AI in everything that the telecom operator does. You need to understand where your customers are, what they are doing. All those kind of things will require AI. And it will require a tie-up with lot of startups, because you are going to serve the customers in their day-to-day life, in banking, insurance, in commerce, e-commerce activities, whatever they are doing. And startups nowadays have very innovative solutions, extremely good at delivering wow experience. That's how the telecom operator can change their position from information exchange provider to the value exchange provider. And they need to build up tie-ups with a lot of partners to bring this value. Behind the scene, the value of this exchange will be used by the voice-enabled AI systems. And what kind of architectural shifts will be needed? One, I call this as platformification. The first thing probably the telecom operator need to adopt in terms of IT architecture shift, event-driven architecture, because this will allow the telecom operator to look at each and every moment of engagement with the customer and keep on adopting newer technologies to empower that moment of engagement. This architecture style will allow plain vanilla moment of engagement to be transformed into digital moment of engagement. Of course, these applications responses has to be very responsive. That's why non-blocking architecture and reactive app style should be adopted. And for making changes at a exponential pace, you need to adopt microservices architecture style. RDBMS as a database is not enough. You need to adopt polyglot database architecture where NoSQL databases are also leveraged to build connected data applications. And this will require a different kind of a data pipeline architecture as well. Later on, I will have a specific session on architectural shifts. So thanks a lot for listening to me. If you have liked this video, please do let me know, give your feedback. Thank you very much.